Hello guys, today I am going to explain about C program, that is write a C program to convert given a decimal number to a binary number. So this is actual program. So before going to explain this program, let's understand what are the steps including this program algorithm. So in this algorithm, so first of all, don't look at this program. First listen my algorithm steps. After that, I will explain this logic. Okay, if you want to write it down, write the algorithm steps. So algorithm first step is you need to take the one number. What first step is you need to take one number from the user. That is the step one. So the step two is the which is the given number by the user. So you need to divide that number by 2. So by using modulo division operator, user entered number is you divided by the modulo division 2. So next step is step 3 is so that n is divided by 2. So these are the three steps are included in this algorithm. So the step one is we need to take the number from the user, and the second one is the user entered number you need to divided by the 2. So you need to use which operator? Modulo division operator. That is the step 2. And the step 3 is so you need to divide the same number by 2 using the division operator. Using the division operator. So these are the steps are involved in this algorithm. And now let's understand the program. So first of all, every C program starting with include statement. So the very first step is everyone is familiar with the first line, that is hash include stdio.h. It's clear. After that, every program is starting with what? Main. So everyone knows the main. So I am taking my return type is integer and I have written main. After that, I am opening the braces. Main is open. So after that, here I need to know the you need to declare the some values. I need to declare some values. So after divided by the n, I need to store some array. So that I declared one array. So the array name is A. The size of the array is what? 10. The size of the array is 10. So I declare one array, comma, and n variable, comma, I variable. So these are the three variables. A is array type and the size is how much? Size is 10 and n is the variable and I is the variable. So after that I need to take the some number from the user, so that I am writing the printf. So that I am writing the printf. Printf enter a number. Printf enter a number. So user enters some number. I am storing where? I am storing in the n. So using the reading function I am using the scanf and I am taking that number. And so after that, so I need to get the binary value of particular number. Suppose user enter the 5 value entered. So I need to get the what? That 5 integer binary number. For that purpose I am using the for loop. For loop I is equal 0, n greater than 0, I plus plus. After that my second step is what? Need to divided by 2, modulo division by 2, and I am storing that value in where? Array. I am storing that value in the array. So after that I am dividing the same number by the 2, that is the third step, and I am storing that division divide by 2 operator in the n value. So this is the loop is repeated until the completion of the condition, until the completion until the what condition is false, until the condition is false. This loop is iterated. After that I will get some values. After that I will get some values. So after that I will get some values. So after that we have one more for loop for printing the values. So usually array is starting with 0. So 0 position some value is there, 1 position some value is there. So that I need to print the array elements. So how do you print array elements? So the logic for that one is I is equal to I minus 1, I greater than 0, I minus minus. I am printing all the array elements. How many? So this loop is executed how much time? The condition is true. Until the condition is true, it will execute. So whenever condition is false, it will come out of the loop. It will come out of the loop. So this is the logic of printing decimal number to binary number. Thank you guys.